guys. Well, good morning. Good Monday morning. Got a couple of tools. Got this here. Flexible extensions. You can't break any bolts or fasteners loose with this, but you can run them up pretty quick with these without using a swivel. Kind of interesting. You can bend it like this. You can get it from this angle, this angle. Had a guy next to me that had one, and I used it, and I was like, oh my god, this thing's awesome. His actually bent all the way around, did a 90-degree turn, and it ran him up with his impact. It's pretty cool. And I also got a flashlight here for daily use. Let's see here. Little battery thing, charger. I don't know why it has a battery holder. That's kind of weird, isn't it? But it does. There we go. Let's see, what is that? What is this? It's input, charging. There's the button. Ah, so it's fully charged there. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Yep, perfect for under the hood. Good look at stuff. Oh wow, different modes. That's pretty cool. There's a part number. Amazon. I didn't get this either, sorry guys. Got this from Amazon as well. And then, let me look here. I know, mistaken, what did I do with it? The other day, I had to buy something, and the Mack truck was here. Matco wasn't here, but Mack truck just drove by and said, hey, do you need anything? I said, yeah, sure. So let me see here. Oil filter wrench set. Made in USA with global material. I needed some of these, so I picked them up from him. That was $60. Can't complain. It says made in USA. Is probably molded here, but with probably more than likely Chinese plastic. They're not bad. And I guess you take it here. Yeah, tells us what each one of them are for, I guess, or tells you what filter goes with what tool. Napa, Isuzu, Penske, Fram, Chrysler. That's pretty snifty. I like that pretty cool. All right, cool, man. Well, you know what, guys? Hope you have a wonderful, productive Monday. I got the Liquid of the Gods brewing right now. We're going to have another video discussion of politics because I'm getting into politics. No, not really. I don't know. All right, guys. Have a blessed day. I know you guys wanted to take a peek in here. There's your peek. Have a blessed day, guys. Oh, hey guys, don't hang up just yet. I totally forgot that I bought these two from the Mac guy. Let's look at this part number here. Here's your part number. Hose pliers. Spring loaded. So you get those little clips on your hoses. You put them right in there, and you can pull them off. You can use regular pliers, but this seems to make it easier. The mechanic next to me has got a pair, and I used them once or twice, and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get me one. So I did. $65. All right, I really am out of here though. Have a good one.